Well, guys, today I'm gonna go through one little small technique um, that is very popular, I would say. Um, well, maybe not popular, but it's widely known. Um, this technique I used for creating one of my clients' logo lately. It's okay. What we're gonna need here would be a rotate tool, pathfinder tool, and a bit of transparency and yeah, a bit of transparency settings done. So it's not that hard to repeat what I do. So here, let's just begin. I drew a circle there, and I'll make another one here. Now we have two circles that intersect over here. You can see the shape here. That's the intersection shape. To get rid of the everything but the intersection shape, we should go to the Pathfinder tool, Pathfinder tab here, which is obtained by clicking Window and Pathfinder. So we have it here, and we're going to need this tool here, which is called the intersect tool. By clicking it, we got rid of everything but the intersection area. Now we're just gonna rotate it a little. We click on R. We click on rotate tool or push R, which is a shortcut for a rotate tool. And here's the center point of the shape. Now change the to change the center point, just while R is selected, you just go somewhere and you click it once and release there. Now we go to rotate tool again and start rotating the shape. Now while rotating, hold down the Alt or Option key, and let's see, what we're going to need here is something like that. Okay, we have a leaf that's been duplicated because we held down Alt or Option key, and let's not stop here, but by pressing Command D, or if you're a Windows user, it's Control D, you're going to repeat what has just been done to the shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6. Okay, we created 6 different leaves. Let's add a stroke color to that so we can understand what's going on here. Okay, we have a nice um, amount of leaves here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna create a nice looking um, well, let's say flower. Okay, what we need is for what we need is to make this flower look symmetrical. So I'm basically gonna arrange all the flowers and group them, and by grouping them, they're going to be on the same level in terms of arrangement, and those two are going to be left alone. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different levels or layers, if you will. Now what we're going to do here is, let's see, now you can ungroup them so that they stay this way, but you can still select them on their own. And now let's go find different leaves they're going to be looking to like one, two, let's see, three. Those 3 leaves. We're going to create a color for them. Let's go with something like this color here. Let's get rid of the, yeah, okay, that's it for now, I guess. Let's go with other leaves. 1, 2, 3, and make them, well, a bit dark. Let's go with darker green. And those two, well, let's go with a very bright green. Um, Something like this. Okay, yellow. Well, we're probably gonna change this to a bit darker green because, or this. Well, anyway, you can play around with the colors all you want when you want. Oops, sorry. Anyway, we have the color. Now let's get rid of the stroke color. And all that doesn't look really good. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to transparency, and lower the opacity of the elements to, well, 20 might, yeah, not 20, to around 70. See, what we have here is all of the colors are being a bit transparent and we can see through them. Probably have to go with 80. 80 is fine. And now also try applying some blending modes to the objects. Multiply or overlay, or if you don't want, like if you're not happy with anything, just stick with normal. Now you also might want to tweak the shapes a little bit so they don't overlap each other in a very ugly way, stuff like that. But whatever you do to the shape, you can see here it will create a nice little icon that looks a lot like Web 2.0 that's been popular right now. Obviously, you can do the same thing with different objects. So you have a square, right? Square and a square, and if you go with 80, go to multiply, for example, it'll just give you some nice little effect to work with. So that's it. Remember, transparency, blending modes, rotate tool, and the pathfinder tool for creating different various shapes that are not standard shapes. I hope this was useful for those beginners out there. I'll see you next time.